Look at this. There's 3,290 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it daily. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of Link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump in this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me. Trying to get a like spike going. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, if you're sick and tired of working for somebody else, if you want to quit that 9-to-5 day job, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily with the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin and altcoin technical analysis to help you make some profits. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. This is real quick weekly chart. At the end of the day, most important part here is the $11,500 level needs to be broken and held because it hasn't happened in an extended period of time since 2017. So it's been a number of years. But if this is broken and confirmed, you're looking at targets of 13,300, 15,500, 17,000, and 20,000. So keep that in mind. Also, possible bearish divergence. So again, it's important that the price action continues higher here to avoid a big swing to the downside. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So we talked about this yesterday, how Bitcoin ran up here, hit resistance at about 12,000. Everybody sold. All the sellers are right there, stacked up. And then the price retrace had this huge pullback to the 0.5, 50% retrace, right, of this entire move. So after that, you get this nice bounce, nice move to the upside. Here we are, 11,370. So overhead resistance is right here, basically at about 11,400, 11,500. Okay, so Bitcoin needs to break above that level to continue higher. I looked on the lower term time frames, and all of a sudden Bitcoin's taken off. I'm trying to figure out what's going on, and I'm looking at this pattern, trying to. Yeah, a lot of times, remember, this is more of an art than a science. And one thing about it, you're constantly gathering data every day. Every minute of every day, you're gathering data, you know. So essentially, this is still a rising wedge, bearish pattern, you know, 68% chance of a break to the downside. When it does break higher, you get these parabolic explosive moves until people take profits and you got this big sell-off. Now Bitcoin's back in this pattern. And I was like, man, there's volume as well. You got all kinds of volume coming in, broke back into the pattern. What's happening here? The Bitcoin CME gap that just got filled, gap filled. Check it off. What about this gap down here? I've got some shout outs to give to people in my trading group. The amount of success that I see in the group every day is phenomenal. I can't even tell you how proud I am of everybody working hard to change the way they see this market. This person reached out and he said, I'm a pretty experienced trader from the 90s. Gotta hand it to you. Your groups are 100% proper. He says, just by taking your simple trading setups since last Thursday, the 30th, I'm up $108,000 since Thursday. He doesn't use any margin, no leverage, only spot. Again, he's from the UK and he says, you are definitely the real deal. Doesn't everybody just want to be the real deal? Well, yeah, life-changing money. I think we got 3,400 members in the trading group. The real deal, baby. Next person stated he's in VIP Elite. He joined the 4th of last month. He made $4,200, life-changing money. That's what this is about. This person is just on watching YouTube. I gave you guys SXP the other day. This is going to be the coin of August. Remember that, okay? It's up 35%, or he made $1,434 in 28 minutes. Boom. Remember, right now, if you guys sign up for the trading group, send me an email. It's 40 to 50% off for a limited time. Nano came out, and they're working with Travala. They've got a partnership with Expedia, and now they're going to be taking Nano. So again, pay with Nano on everything from hotels, apartments, villas, 5-star luxury resorts. So Travala has been in the news quite a bit. LTO is integrating with, wait for it, Link. Anything Chainlink, and it's pumping right now too. Link. So LTO is integrating with Link, market-leading decentralized oracles, to bridge investor accreditation data from the LTO blockchain onto Ethereum network to be used within smart contracts. Also, LTO was picked by MakerDAO. There's a mainnet upgrade that's happening in August. There's a release of Let's Flow and workflow tools that's coming out. Also, LTO DeFi has been announced as well. So again, LTO is one to watch where long-term upside you're looking for. A lot of people were asking me about the MCO CRO swap. Why is all this coin pumping? Why is MCO pumping? Because now you can convert your MCO to CRO anytime from the 3rd of August to November the 3rd. And if you do so before September the 3rd, you receive a 20% bonus in CRO. This is a very bullish idea for Bitcoin. Okay, previously, October 2017, right, during a 7-week period, you had tremendous move to the upside by Bitcoin. Bitcoin ran from about 4,500 to 7,600. Okay, huge percentage-wise. What is that, 60, 65, 70%? Look here, this move, similar, right? From 5,600 to 9,400. Again, 80% move. Here we are. A lot of people are talking about this. We had a strong weekly close to the upside. Will we see $16,197 Bitcoin over the next 6 weeks? Boom, move to the upside. Man, that would be amazing. 16,000. And then what happens is obviously Bitcoin retraces, pulls back, which it does, and the money flows into these altcoins. And all the altcoins that we know and love, a lot of the money flow back down into the altcoins. These altcoins will run hard after Bitcoin consolidates. Obviously, USDT pairs follow Bitcoin, though. This idea, the NVT up here, has turned red. Okay, so when this happens, there's a bunch of volatility, and a lot of times there's explosive moves to the upside. This is basically calling for a move towards about 15,500. Okay, but let's start at 13,000, 13,500. So looking for a real explosive move based on the NVT. Now, I don't personally use this, but I've talked to you guys about Binance's possible next IEO, and this is called Serum. It's not confirmed yet. I haven't seen it yet, but this is what they're thinking, what everybody thinks it's going to be. SRM. Basically, Serum is backed by Alameda, and Binance invested tens of millions of dollars in Alameda recently. So, you know, BNB was just out of the blue, just spiked. This is a midterm hold I talked to you guys about. Remember this, when this IEO is launched, essentially you're going to have to, or people are going to have to take part in this lottery. In order to do so, you have to hold between 50 and 500 BNB. So then you have to hold it for a period of about 30 days. So people accumulate this BNB up until this IEO lottery happens. Then typically you see a sell-off, but normally this is equated to about 20 to 30% gains over time for BNB. So again, Serum possible. DeFi, which is going to be hot. A lot of people are going to want to get in on this. They're going to buy BNB. Buy BNB. They're going to hold it for a month. So keep an eye on BNB. Now, CME Gap, back to it. Okay, so you got a rising wedge. I mean, this is, you notice we don't, on the CME Bitcoin futures chart, we don't have that whole scammy spike in price action we have on the spot chart. This is missing. You see that? Missing. Manipulation, much. So, CME Gap just got filled. Here it is. It's filled. See it right here? Open spot, open area, filled. Now, this is technically a bearish pattern. It's a rising wedge. If it breaks higher, you get parabolic moves to the upside. But Now move lower. Gosh, you just have to think about this CME gap down here from 9,600 to 9,900. I mean, it wouldn't be in the worst thing in the world if we went down there and filled it and then took off. I mean, it would still be bullish price action as long as we can hold this level, but who wants to drop down below 10,000? What would that be like? Man, that's a big drop. BLZ, I gave this to you guys. And it's been epic. So in the group, we bought this breakout right here, right? Bought this breakout. Some people probably increased their position sizes. You know, you double down. Hey, you get a retest. Boom, move to the upside. Look what BLZ has done so far since I gave it to you guys. You've been trading in the group. Oh, man. This is the power of a mainnet launch. You get a good technical pattern down here, and then boom, look at this move to the upside. And again, you zoom out here, you're about 123% gains if you got in at the right time. I gave you guys this. A ton of people made a ton of money on this. What was Bitcoin doing? Yeah, it was kind of choppy. People made some money in Bitcoin, some other altcoins, but 123%? Are you serious? This is huge. Bitcoin dominance fell off a cliff, so altcoins have been gaining a lot of steam. Now you wonder, is this support level down here going to hold and you get this double bottom? If this bounces, altcoins in general are not going to fare tremendously well, so keep an eye on this idea. XRP needs to cool off a little bit. It's broken out, and I talked to you guys about this previously. XRP, long term, we could see 45-cent XRP. Okay, will it double in price? There's a good chance. It's going to follow, the XRP USDT is going to follow Bitcoin. So over time, you know, the chance that it doubles in price is pretty good. Again, you got to be patient. This isn't going to happen overnight, obviously, but there's a new setup here. You know, you're buying the breakout. See all this price action right in here? This is all the resistance for the price action. And you can see it's getting rejected. Some type of pullback here, pullback to this upper trend line or pullback to this support level would be good entry for XRP. Swiss bank with 30 billion worth of assets to provide crypto custody and trading. Banking meets crypto. I think it's a good fit. I mean, yeah, we're kind of anti-banking and crypto. However, I think it makes mainstream adoption is going to happen a lot faster when people can go to the bank and store their Bitcoin. Trevolo, like we talked about, added 600,000 hotels to the crypto booking platform. DeFi flash loans, how someone made $16,000 with zero investment. Have you guys seen this? The user was able to successfully arbitrage the difference in rates of stablecoins on DeFi protocols using a flash loan to profit without investing anything. Is this sketchy? What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this? I mean, obviously, immediately everybody wants to make $16,000 with zero investment, right? But it's just like, how sustainable is this? Do you guys ever wonder, like, this DeFi, is it a bubble? It reminds people of this, the ICO craze, and we all know what happened with the ICOs. But for right now, we at least have to recognize, hey, these are hot. Buy the hype, take profits. Let everybody figure out if this is going to be sustainable, if it's a bubble or whatever. But for right now, get your money. Got to get your money out of this market. Lock in profits. You cannot lose money locking in profits. The other night when we had that amazing run up by all the altcoins and Bitcoin was moving higher, like, don't get greedy. Remember, bears make money, bulls make money, pigs get slaughtered. Don't be a pig. Don't be greedy. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.